Let me visit the diction from the Oxford Dictionary of Contemporary English. Ngengikhetha amagama ngisho ukubana lezi yizo izithembiso zeNkayi. In 1993 I was at secondary school ngingu form 1 phambili kwambalisi wami secondary. Bathi bona, we are building the 158 kilometer Nkayi road from Bulawayo. We expect to finish by 1999. Go 1995 elections, we are serious. We will finish Nkayi Bulawayo road by 1999. Go 1996 about the presidential election, we are serious. We are going to finish Nkayi Bulawayo road by 1999. Go 2000, but due to Cyclone Elena, we are unable to finish Nkayi Bulawayo road by 1999. Then came 2005. Due to sanctions, we are unable to finish the Nkayi Bulawayo road. Come 2008, but we have resumed work of the 158 kilometer Nkayi Bulawayo road. Yes, came 2013, we have actually resumed work on the 158 kilometer Nkayi Bulawayo road. We are serious. 2018, we have just resumed work on the 158 kilometer Nkayi Bulawayo road. We love you, Nkayi. Then came 2021. We have resumed serious work on the 158 kilometer Nkayi Bulawayo road. We are the Second Republic. Come 2023, due to sanctions, we